I have been observing anti-aging DIY community on YouTube for a few months now. And I have noticed that certain plastic surgeons, dermatologists have attacked these communities by using reaction videos and questioning these women and men who put themselves out there to document their anti-aging journey. When you encourage your audience to attack these men and women because they've been documenting their journey online on YouTube, you put yourself under the question as well. They're not 2 years old that you tell them what to do, what not to do. These are adult people. They have done their research and they're putting themselves out there and talking about how they do these procedures on their own bodies. Instead of doing that, which is indirectly a type of bad-mouthing competitors, because they are your competitors, let's not forget that. And it's very ugly, questioning them, attacking their channels. Do you think that you can stop them? In fact, by doing that, they doubled their audience. They created new channels where they can freely advertise these products and the way of their doing it. These are single mothers who cannot afford your pricing. Of course, I can understand that you will spend a lot of money, a few years at the university, you get your certifications and doctorate degree, and you open this private office, private clinic, as we say in Europe, and you charge people a huge sums of money to do pedio threads, Botox injection, and the other beauty stuff, either through surgery or non-surgical procedures. I think the best way to attract more sales, because everybody is selling their services and products, let's face it. Why not collaborating with these channels, with these influencers? I can promise you, you will be able to attract more patients to your clinics because they have their own audiences. And if you collaborate with each other, they be attracted to you too. And also you can demonstrate your knowledge to the new audience. And who knows, you get coverage on media. This is how it works. Many companies, especially selling the Korean, Chinese companies that are selling anti-aging products, which are very good, they're using influencer marketing and paying less for advertising, online advertisement. And this is how they're surviving and making money in this economy. We are in the worldwide recession economically. We are having problems due to war in Ukraine and other wars in Middle East, Africa, which affected on our economy on global level. I don't think it is right to attack people on YouTube for documenting their journey. Who are you to judge them by injecting certain beauty product on their bodies? It's not right. If they feel that it's hurting them, they would stop and they would pay for a clinician to fix the problem. But it's fun for them. So the lucrative way of promoting yourself instead of mocking these people is to collaborate with them. I mean, we are not in 50s anymore. Back in 50s, businesses used to badmouth each other's businesses and outrank, and even it continued those unwritten laws and conditions until 90s and early 2000. Today, in 2022, we don't do that anymore. And if you really want to increase your brand reputation and sales and mark yourself as a good surgeon, plastic surgeon, clinician, dermatologist, this could be the best way to do that. I mean, we have to promote kindness, humanism, instead of mocking each other, questioning each other, attacking each other on YouTube and the other platforms. That's not right, especially for you guys who are well educated. I got so surprised by seeing some YouTube videos of some people who call themselves plastic surgeons mocking other YouTube channels. And this is below you. You shouldn't do that, because people are not idiots. They can see it. They know why you are doing it. They know that you feel threatened by these channels. Even I watched another DIY video. The lady was so sad. Last year, she was attacked on media, especially on one of the TV networks. They stole her video and mocked her on national TV for DIYing certain anti-aging products. First of all, that is crime. That is copyright infringement. That lady can easily hire a pro bono lawyer and sue them for stealing her product, her video, without her permission. So I just felt that I had to create this video to just increase awareness, to invite everybody to be kind and nice to each other, spread love, collaboration. I mean, YouTube has done a great job and uploaded great materials in terms of collaborating with each other within your niches. So these are for us, for you to learn the right way of doing it by collaborating. Of course, they are not doctors, but some of them have certifications in regards to injecting and beauty stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and let's spread peace and kindness among each other on YouTube. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.